Good morning, students. Today I will explain you circle graph. A circle graph is a graph in which a circle is divided into parts, where each part represents a part of the whole amount. It is used to compare the different parts of a whole amount. A circle graph is circular shaped graph with the entire circle representing the whole. Whole means one circle. The circle is then split into parts or sections. Each part is proportional in size to the amount it represents. Therefore, it is easy to make comparisons. Now see this circle. This circle is divided into 4 sections, 4 parts. Number 1 part. It is the biggest part of the circle. Can you see that a circle is divided into half? Part 1 is the half of the circle. So we can also write it as like this. It is half. Now see this much. It is 1/4 part of the circle. 1/4. It is 1/4 part of the circle. This is half and this is 1/4. How it is 1/4? Let's see. If I extend this line, now see this full line, this full portion is also half and this is also half. And now this line also. When a circle is divided into 4 portions, each part is called quarter. That is 1/4 part. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. And when only one line is divided, this diameter, then this is half part and this is half part. Now this is also 1/4 part. 1/4 part is further divided into 2 parts. It means now each part has become 1/8. If we divide 4 parts, every 4th part into 2 parts, let us divide and check. See, this is also 1/4 part. I have divided into 2 parts. This also and this also. So now let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So each part is 1/8. Now in this circle graph, we will attempt some questions by looking at this graph. This circle's graph shows how Mayank spent his 12-hour train journey. Please, you have to carefully see this number. How many hours train journey it is? 12-hour train journey. Now read the questions and answer it. On which activity did he spend the maximum time? Now look at this circle graph. Sleeping was this much, half part. So he spent maximum time on sleeping. So the answer is sleeping. Did he spend more time talking or reading? Now check this circle graph. This is talking 1/8 part and reading was 1/4 part. So this part was bigger. This section is bigger. It is 1/4 and talking is 1/8. So he spent more time on reading. How many hours did he sleep? Now see, sleeping is half part. So how we will calculate? Half of how many hour journey it was? From the question we will check. It was 12-hour journey. So half of 12. Now some children can do it directly. That half of 12 is 6. How to solve it? Half of means multiply 12. Now we multiply numerator with the numerator. That is 12 ones are 12 and divide it by the denominator. 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So how many hours did he sleep? The answer is 6 hours. If he spent 1 by 4 of the journey reading, how many hours did he read? Now see, here it is 1 by 4 and journey was how many hours long? 12. So the solution is 1 by 4 of 12. Again, of we will convert into multiply. We will multiply numerator with the numerator. 12 ones are 12 and write denominator down. 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3 hours. It means he spent 3 hours in reading. Now see one more example. Suppose the journey was of 32 hours. Now let's see. If he spent half of the journey sleeping, how many hours did he slept? Now fraction is half. Half of, now we will not take 12 because the journey is 32 hours long. So we will take half of 32, that is equal to half multiply by 32. Now 32 ones are 32 and divided by the denominator 2, because here no denominator, that means it is 1. 2 ones are 2. Now 32 divided by 2. If you know direct answer, you can write. If you don't know, then solve it in rough. 2 ones are 2. 1 will be the remainder and then 2 6 are 12. So 16 hours he spent on sleeping when his journey was 32 hours long. If he spent 1 by 8th of the journey sleeping, how many hours did he slept? Now we take an example. Suppose fraction is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 of 32, because journey is 32 hours long. Again, of we will convert into multiply. Numerator with the numerator. 32 ones are 32. Here is no denominator, so 1 is there. 8 ones are 8. 32 divided by 8, 4 hours. So 4 hours if the fraction is 1 by 8. So it depends upon the fraction and the time given in the question. Like this, you solve your assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.